Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the process of making banana puree for 6 to 9 months babies. This recipe is easy, quick and most importantly infants love it. Before that I will give you a short explanation about the benefits of bananas. They are a great option for a first solid food for babies. They are packed with nutrients as well as potassium content and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals as well as fiber. The vitamins they contain are A, C, D and B. K, folate, choline, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, manganese and selenium. But there is one drawback of banana. Less ripe bananas tend to contribute to constipation while riper bananas do not. That is why we always have to offer our babies riper bananas to avoid constipation. As your child grows, you can continue to make bananas a key part of her diet. Keep giving them to her pureed or mashed until she is about 9 months old. After 9 months, you can offer them as finger foods in sliced and quartered chunks, but make sure to volunteer as they might choke. Now let's get back to the recipe. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you.